Let's get my legs out. Oh, watch yourself. We're just gonna take a look. Oh shit, boring. Yeah, just pull the handle sideways. It won't lock. It'll pull it sideways. There you go. Okay. That's okay. I'm going
Look
to.
at all that was here when it was open.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just going to video.
Look at that. That was basically the trash can.
Backstairs. You want to try the stairs?
No, let's go around. We don't need to go through all that bullshit. Let's just go. Let's take the other stairs.
We got to look at a room up here for Ismail.
Exactly. We're gonna get to it. I know where it is. It's in the back.
And when we get to the slides, try not to talk too loud. Yeah, try not to talk too loud.
Want to go in there?
No.
You don't know if there's someone on the other side of the door. That's crazy.
Yeah. No, no.
It's trash, man.
Oh, man. Somebody been in here. Somebody been in here. They swept the floor.
In your opinion, Carl, when they did that?
Don't say names. Don't say no names. Names down in the radio. Stay out of view. I know there's helicopter going. Try to stay out of view. Come here. Stay out of view. What they're saying I do. Whatever it is. That's all.
Let's go upstairs first.
Let's go up and find out why.
Yeah, I know.
Going up.
Can't even find it.
Gotta find out why the cows are hanging around. Wow. Well, we had 12 people on the wall.
Yeah, there was obviously to the whole damn community.
Second floor. I still wish they out of view. Better that way.
You know how many times Cal would come up here and be scared to turn the damn hole on? A lot.
I see a knife is still here.
This place is fucking scared. This place is sure good.
Oh, yeah.
Here's a knife right here in case you see anybody, alright? Oh, you got one too, Carl?
Yep.
There's one here, I'll pick it up.
Yep. What's that? Put him in here. I smell ya. All right, guys, we're not here to bother you. If you're here, we're not here to get you. We're just doing our thing. All right? I smell you guys are sweat, so I know you're here. Somebody here, I smell the sweat.
We'll see what's going on. Oh, no, I like
Go to that room right there, you can smell the sweat coming out of it. That one right there. Hey, Tamara, look at your old room. How nice. Smell the sweat? They're not too far.
Let's go this way first. Let's go down. Oh, we're gonna go around. That's a big circle.
They've been collecting.
I'll go first. Yeah, I'll go first.
I got it.
I kinda gotta go view the camera.
I'm gonna go to somebody's room real quick. Oh no. Here's your room, Tanya. How nice it looks. Still looks good in there. About with a big shoe.
That's like probably in the middle.
See, there's a church right there.
They like 275. And
I'll leave my container. I can
this is Chris's old room. Wow. Hey, Chris. Room still look. Oh, this ain't Chris's room. This is Chris's old room. That's another one. Yeah. Second floor, first hallway, middle hallway. Oh, that's where it's kind of messy. Damn. Damn.
Look at all the foils.
Yeah, look at it.
Look at time.
Cigarette, lighters. Straight shooters.
Where's Cal?
Right over here.
Hey,
Right
Cal.
there.
Okay. She's in there.
You know, this guy lived and worked in this room. This guy lived and worked in this room. He didn't have nowhere to fucking sleep.
You guys are lucky because you guys got pants. I'm gonna go throw on fiberglass.
Careful where you step.
I'm right here. Picking up these here.
Oh, you're gonna find a lot in here. Alright, good. I wonder who that was.
Breathing tape.
261 people. I'm over the backward toilet in. Try to keep it down a little bit. Oh,
I'm getting out of this space. I don't answer my phone. We don't have to worry about that.
should be on. Oh yeah.
Try not to
Okay.
get the fiberglass on my leg.
Try not to get fiberglass on you.
Yeah, I'm trying.
There's a whole bunch of it here.
Going that way?
Yeah, we're in the back of
255.
I'll get out of your way, Carl.
Yeah.
Gonna rag you.
262. Oh man, she's on the phone. No. No phone. This was the double room. Yeah, come this way. No, don't talk too loud, though.
She said don't. He said don't talk too loud, Cal.
Everybody here, you know you get in. Yeah, try not to talk too loud. $2.49.
Go to the room where Ishmael wanted to look us into.
Yep, it's the second again. I think it's blue.
That's the other one. This one's kind of, I guess. Oh, damn. How are we supposed to get in here, Paul?
We'll figure it out. Oh, shit.
Here, I might be able to have something to open it.
Yeah?
Wow. Yeah, that might. There it is. Good.
Oh, it's nothing. It's just a room.
This one. This is what counts right here.
This is the room Jimmy tried there. Just a bunch of wires.
I like it. Oh, I found something I like. Hey,
Hey, you want a roast?
hell no.
Oh, this is a different
You
room.
want a roast, Tony?
A roach? Oh, no.
This
We're
is
by the window.
the guy that was out taking us when they kicked everyone out after that. So right around the same time they robbed me, this is the room that but
Like, there's still somebody here. I smell them. Yeah, nasty. I smell a female.
you talking about the female part or the female perfume?
It ain't perfume. It's female nastiness.
Yeah, it looks like they kind of drew blood.
Yeah.
Hey, is this the coffee guy?
Probably no good. Yeah.
Stuck in there.
Or behind the door. By the window. You hear me? Gotta keep it down. More than likely might go down the back. So that's an attic entrance. Want to go down the? We'll go down the back.
We'll just go down the same stairs. Because she wanted to go to that hallway.
Oh, where?
On the end, like the front. I mean,
I think well, there's a couple rooms.
she wanted to see the You remember where you smelled the sweat right there?
Oh, we just came from there.
Yeah, she wants to go by it because we didn't go through that hallway. We didn't go through all of it.
Oh, okay. Who's there? Oh, God, that door's still open? Oh, wow. That's the room that the person died in. Now this room is where the person died in here.
They probably, people probably died in this single one.
And
That was,
It's moving. See the shadows moving? I thought that was Carl was back there, but it's not him. He's right here.
somebody back
See
there?
that? No.
no, it's the street.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, you can see the car. You can literally see the car. It looks like a damn
That's
projector.
what I'm like, oh my God, what the hell? Okay, you guys first? Yeah, I'm done here. Okay.
Hold on. Well, then, try not that's all you collect right now because it's getting noisy. Try that's all you collect for right now.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Mm-hmm.
That's Adrian's ex. Don't get that on
So
camera.
she
Paul.
lived here?
Yeah, she lived here. They all live here. I've seen her in here a couple times. I saw Adrian here a
I'll
couple
let you
times.
guys go first.
I went. This was the breaker room. What's that?
Trying to get out of your way.
Yeah, I need to type on. Why do you think I'm so scared to get kidnapped?
I'm trying to get nobody on camera his legs. God. Oh, man. All right, well,
How many rooms are
over 400. About 400. I don't want to stand too long.
Oh no, I'm done.
That's why I said I'm trying to
We had some
tell it.
hot food, yeah. Wow, we ate at the table. That's crazy.
Do you think they gave the people enough time to get out of here?
No.
Yeah, I
You
think
could tell
they gave
stuff
them.
that's here.
They gave them like a week notice.
Oh, man.
But here's the problem: they had a week to get out. They had a week to figure it out. They didn't.
It should be Honey's room.
Yeah. Come on, Paul.
I'm,
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Is that a holster?
yeah.
Oh. No, I got mine.
Uh,
out and see if this is the room.
Nothing.
Cal, stay on this hallway. I don't want you fucking
Machine.
going too far. Sorry, this one.
No, there ain't no kids in there. Kids leave them. Oh,
I'll be looking at it, see what it is.
oh, look at that.
Oh, look at the weekend right here. Man, they really fucked up this place.
Oh, they learned how
It
to
was
do
already
it.
fucked up before. If we could get it again. Before they came back in here, it was just.
Okay, go around this corner or this corner? Okay, good.
Now we gotta be extra quiet down this hole.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't remember this here the last time.
Oh, sure. No,
Let's see. Is the fence going here?
well, I don't know what number this was.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Shut up. Okay, this one is open.
That's from outside, huh? Isn't that from outside?
Don't you,
We brought it in here, got it collecting cans. That might as well be.
let's get out of here.
Okay.
We've been in here 23 minutes.
I'll show you where. Nice call.
Well,
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
you roll that way. And all that noise. That way.
This is a lot of. We're gonna go around.
Yeah.
You go this way.
Well,
Are we coming out this way?
No, we're gonna go around. It's gonna take us the same way. I know where I'm going.
you want to take her that way? I'm going to finish this way.
Okay, come on, fellas.
You go with him.
Hey, when we're done, we're gonna wait outside, okay?
Yes.
Just follow you, we're not coming back this way?
No.
Office. Bomb. 103. Everybody want to see what 103 looks like? 103. What's that? That was 105 bedroom. This was the old man's house. But 108. This was the laundry room. This was my old room, 109. Them guys, we just hear the film, the orange in it. This was 113. One 12. 112. One 15. Look at him. Damn, all this. Somebody talking and whispering. I can hear you whispering. I'm hearing aids, people. Like I said, I'm not here for you. I'm not here for you.